If you faced any type of foreclosure between January 2009 and December 2010, you might be the victim of a processing error, and you could be eligible for compensation of up to $125,000. Now, for years, managers at major banks ignored widespread errors in the foreclosure process. So federal banking regulators have now ordered 14 large mortgage services to provide a free independent foreclosure review to determine whether homeowners suffered financial injury and should receive that compensation. Well, Marcia Griffin is president and founder of HomeFree USA and thankfully joins us with those details. Good morning, Marcia.
Good morning.
Well, thank you for being here. This is something on a lot of people's minds. Foreclosure errors are very widespread. Can you explain how the errors were even discovered?
Well, without question, we all know, and fortunately, the government has determined that perhaps up to 4 million people experienced wrongful injury on their foreclosure, in the foreclosure process.
Okay.
So here we have an independent party examining all of these foreclosures that occurred, as you said, between 2009 and 2010 to determine if there were wrong signatures, if a person really was paying their mortgage and perhaps the papers got messed up and now they were foreclosed on. So we just want to take a look, make sure that everything is in place. We know that our families in Albuquerque are really concerned, are hurting. There's a telephone number. We want people to know that this is not only legitimate but free. And this is all directed by the government to really make some of the wrongs right and to help many of our families there in Albuquerque.
Well,
so there is
comforting.
a telephone number because the deadline is coming.
And
the deadline is, the telephone number.
Yes. The telephone number is
1-855-778-0855.
And that's an 855 number, you said.
855-778-0855. Please call that number or go to independentforeclosurereview.com. You can get information on the telephone or on the website. Give them some basic information. They're going to send you a personal application. You must fill that out. You must get that in by December 31st. And this is completely free, and we want, hopefully, some people in Albuquerque to get compensated, and
Absolutely.
It can go up to $125,000.
Up to $125,000 is the compensation that they could receive, and they'll know by the end of December, you're saying, if they are eligible, in fact.
No, they need to submit the paperwork by December 31st, and then in early part of January, they will be contacted, and the independent company will talk to them about whether they are eligible or not. But look, in order to even be considered, we need to apply. So we just want all of our families to call.
Absolutely. Marcia, thank you so much, and let's remind them that number one more time before you go.
Sure, please call 1-855-778-0855. 1-855-778-0855. Call now, please.
Thank you. Thank you so much, and happy holidays to you.
Thank you.